guys, it's Anna. What the fuck is up? Maybe I shouldn't swear like the second word in my video. Today I'm going to be snapping apparently. I'm going to be showing you every single bag I bring to school. So I switch out basically daily depending on what my outfit is, what bag, backpack I want to use. I'm going to be showing you guys my entire tote bag, backpack collection, and then also just showing you what the contents are inside of all of those bags. I'm going to be demonstrating it in this bag, which is my current favorite and go-to. Okay, this is my, I think, second video in my back to school series. So let me know if you guys are enjoying back to school videos. If you're already back at school, I start later in the year. I don't start until September 8th. So I still have some time to go, but preparation is key. And in the YouTube world, we live like 10 months ahead of what's actually happening. So I'll show you guys all of the bags I own first, and then I'll go into depth detail about what I like to keep in each of them. This first bag is actually surprisingly from Forever 21, and I got this bag around a year ago. Actually, this was the first day of school last year that I bought this bag. I was shopping with some of my friends after our first class, and I ended up finding this on sale for like 15 bucks. I just love how it's all vinyl. It only says Forever 21 on the very, very back. So no one even knows, and you would never guess this is from Forever 21. The next bag is this tote bag that my brother actually made for me and gave to me on my birthday. It's reversible. This side is white, it's all white, and then it has a denim pocket and then his tag. The other side is a white and denim patchwork. I just love how structured this bag is, because with my laptop in my bag, some of them are a little bit more flimsy and it's a little bit scary because that shit's just flying around. But this one is super compact, and since it's reversible, it's got like double layers. Next tote bag is this one from Reformation. It's just this black, very basic tote bag. It says Reformation on the bottom of it. Other than that, it's the most flimsy black tote bag you ever did see. What I will do some days is use my pink bag for my school stuff, you know, pop it on the shoulder, and then I take this Reformation bag with either, if I need extra school supplies. I am in fashion school. I feel like I didn't even fucking mention that, but I'm in fashion school at Ryerson, so I usually carry all these bags at once. It's one of those things where I'm carrying so much all the fucking time. Last semester, I literally have photos where I was carrying like probably 3 bags, 2 bags, hangers with clothes. I usually double up, so this will be a bag for anything, and then this is my essentials. Sometimes I have to do both of these with a backpack, so it really just depends. This backpack I got last year for school because I had reached a point where I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be carrying 5 totes at once. The backpack makes the heavier stuff like easier to carry. This one is from Urban Outfitters actually, and I really do like this backpack. I'm not a very big backpack person. I really searched for the right backpack for a long time and ended up getting this one. It has silver hardware. I love the contrast stitching, and it's just like a little bit more than a plain backpack, but it's nothing crazy, and it's also super comfortable. The inside of this backpack has a spot for your computer, which is super handy. It has another little zipper here, a tag if you want to add some info about your stuff on that. It does have one side, which is so small, you can't even fit a water bottle in there whatsoever. Let's dive into what I decide to call my essentials. These essentials will go from bag to motherfucking bag. Sometimes it's what makes me late for school because I'm like, oh fuck, I have to switch my bag. My outfit does not go with this one. And then I'm like here for 20 minutes. I love pink, okay? It's no secret, but this hot pink color is not like my absolute favorite color of pink. Somehow I have ended up with so many items in this hot pink color. I'm not mad because all of it matches and looks so good in this bag. Obviously we can talk about the fact that this is see-through and it just makes your stuff look so cute. First thing, which is usually in a case, but we're at home, let's not fucking play around. I don't know if I was blacked out when I ordered this case. I don't know, like this isn't a color I would normally choose. It's definitely cute, it's fine, but I don't know, I would have got white or clear. This is the MacBook Pro 13 inch, yeah. And I basically do most of my notes and everything on my laptop. A lot of my courses require Photoshop, Access, and InDesign. It's a lot of online programs and softwares, so I don't have to bring a lot of real things into class. Like it's pretty much all on my laptop. I do a notebook. I'm trying to remember how I did it last semester. I think I do multiple single notebooks, or I'll do one notebook for 2 classes. Some of them I do a binder. I just don't know what I'm doing this year, and I don't think any of that's going to be necessary. The whole like one notebook 5 subject thing I've never really done, just because they're so heavy. I also have a file folder. I just have my stuff from last year in here because some classes, I was watching another like what's in my backpack for some inspo. You guys know it's been a minute. She had a file folder and she was talking about how there's always that one class where you just get so many fucking handouts, like literally probably equivalent to like 5 forests of paper. That was my marketing class and they didn't even provide it. That's the best part. We had to print all this shit out. I also just think the clear is super adorable. So yeah, this is a new essential that I don't think I had in my bag last year, but now I can't even imagine not carrying this with me to school. Like I literally, it's just never gonna happen. More specifically for goals and things I need to get done, to-do lists. I do have a couple planners. I just find that writing out things on my own like scale works way better for me. I can't fit everything I need to on my planner and I don't want to carry a huge planner. With this, I can literally just have each week what I'm doing and take up as much room as I want. Sometimes you have nothing to do, sometimes you have so much to do. So I can do that all on my own here. Will probably end up getting another one of these moleskin notebooks before school starts because I really want the baby pink one, and yeah, that's literally the only reason, just because I want it. I have my actual book that I'm reading for leisure. This is called My Year of Rest and Relaxation. I'm borrowing this from my best friend Anna. She finished this and really enjoyed it. I'm also really enjoying it. It's different from anything I've ever read before. If you're looking for like a chill read, this book is basically about a girl who literally takes a year to just hibernate and sleep 24/7 and takes a lot of drugs to do so. It's very interesting and I feel like it's completely opposite from my life in the current moment, so it's kind of fun to read about it and be like, wow, what the fuck. My pencil case is probably the cutest thing in my bag, and again, this matching hot pink, like this was not planned. My mom got me this pencil case in Japan, even though I think the brand KUM is a German brand. I keep everything super generic. It's just highlighters. You already know I'm that bitch with the sparkly big pencils. Okay, if you give me one that's not sparkly, my hand won't work. I just can't use it. I always have like fun gel pens. This pink one, it's just way more fun to take notes, especially in my personal notebook if it's like fun colors. 2H, HB, different ones for my illustration class. Depending on the classes for the semester, like I have a whole separate illustration bag that I'll bring only on that day. I got this at Bloomingdale's in Florida, and I feel like I just bring this because it's like I get to relive being in Florida, being in Bloomingdale's, 2 places I would way rather be than school any day. It's gold, sparkly, it's so extra. I also just like that it's a bit slimmer. Girls have hydro flasks this big, and I'm just like, how do you have room to carry that? This is a new essential, hand sanitizer, because of Corona. I just have that on deck at all times. Then this is my little change purse wallet. I don't want to have a full wallet in my school bag just because I don't need that when I'm at school. So this is a change purse from Montenegro actually that my friend Anna also got for me. And I just keep like my transit pass, my Presto card, cash, and then my school ID and stuff. I have a measuring tape in my bag and a ruler. A measuring tape I just always need. I don't know why I'm always like needing one. I have classes that require us to use Judy's and have, I don't know, a measuring tape on hand at all times. So I always have this in my bag. Same shit with the hot pink color, guys. Like I don't know what's going on, but I got this ruler. And that was from Staples. I just threw this in my bag because that's literally what ends up happening with this notepad. I think this is the most adorable notepad ever. It says things to do and there's a little grid area to write on. And I usually just do a checklist of things I need to get done that day specifically, and I can check them off as I do it. And then I have this black leather pouch, which I think is literally hit. Oh my God, why did I not? Okay. I don't know what went on here. For some reason I thought this was the only pouch I had, and I'm like, I swear I haven't used this shit in years because I got this so long ago when I got my tote bag from Urban Outfitters and I never used it. But this is what I normally use, which is so cute. It's this Clinique vintage makeup bag. So let me just fucking transfer all this shit into here and then get rid of this because I don't know why I thought I ever used this. Like I was putting it in my bag. Like this feels so wrong. We're gonna pretend like that never happened. I felt like I was not being true to me. Okay. Next, this is my Clinique makeup bag. The green color with the tan makes me feel some type of way. In here, I just keep a ton of girl products. No, like just random shit. So I have my AirPods in here because I obviously don't want to just throw these in my bag and lose them. I have a lip gloss. This is my go-to. I have 2 tampons in case, you never know. My mask in here, which I'm gonna probably find a better place to keep this. White, navy blue, has red stitching, and it's also reversible with this floral side. I also have some gum, hand cream, which this is probably one of the biggest essentials. My hands are always dry. Like there's not a moment of the day that I'm not putting moisturizer on or I'm not thinking I need to moisturize my hands. This is one of my favorites. It's the Glycemed hand cream. It's super hydrating. It doesn't have too strong of a smell. I also keep in here my Juice Couture Viva La Juicy. How adorable is the fucking roller ball? Like there's a bow on it. Okay. Then I have my Rosebud Salve. Does not say rosebud, like I'm just making that up. It's just rose. Okay, then I have my rose salve here, which I know everybody on YouTube knows what the fuck this is. I literally have one right over here. I have so many of these. I'll be bored in class and then I'll just put some on my fingers and start doing my like cuticles, give myself a manicure. I use it mostly for that or just to moisturize my hands if I need extra moisture than for my lips, but I really do recommend that if you guys have never tried that. And then the last thing I have in the bottom of this little pouch is just a hair tie with a barrette hair clip and then a bobby pin. And that is literally everything I keep in my bag. My bed is covered in shit now. I hope that this gave you guys a bit of a general guide for some things you can include in your school bag and some essentials that you probably don't fucking need but you just want to bring because why the fuck not? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Peace out, peace out, peace out. Okay.